Hi everyone, my name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a PR package that I received a couple days ago from a wonderful company called NewCraftDay. They reached out to me, had me select a product, and I'm really excited to show because I really love this picture. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. I've done a review for NewCraftDay before, so I really do love their products. So when they reached out to me, I was more than happy to select any product from an album they showed for me. And I selected this one because I know a lot of other diamond painting channels have been showing this kind of line of this diamond painting. So I was so happy I was able to select one that I wanted to pick. So when I first got the package, it was just in one of these standard plastic mailer bags. I'm not going to turn it because I'll show my address. So when I opened it, the painting was wrapped again in this plastic, which I really liked because there are no issues with the packaging and anything. It wasn't damaged or anything. Just my usual, my mailman just shoved it into my little mailbox. So there weren't any issues. Nothing was torn or anything like that. And I do apologize. I should have opened this bag before I took it out, but I'm going to cut it real quick. I haven't opened the painting or anything. I haven't opened it, so I'm not too sure what's in it. I'm just confirming it isn't an invoice or anything. No, it's just the paint. So, yeah, it's really sturdy, too. It's a real sturdy plastic. You'll probably hear me struggling. Apologies for all the crinkly noise. Ooh, sorry, the plastic is really stuck on the painting. And this is the painting. So, if maybe you've all probably have seen, there's been these ladies that have been shown with dresses that have their piano keys and they're just exploding everywhere. I'm not a fan of them. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm odd. But this painting is from that line as well. And when I saw it, I knew, ooh, I really want this one. Because I love all the music that's on the wall. It's a wall. It kind of looks like a dance hall. It's a lovely lady dancing just dancing around on the floor. I'm sorry, dancing. What, twirling? I guess that's the word. To me, it looks like she's twirling, and you'll see it in a moment. Sorry, plastic's a little sturdy, so let me move that aside real quick. And the painting is a larger one. I really do love it. And it has, as well, your standard kit and your diamonds. Ooh, they're all kitted up and ready to go. This is so cute. And I love that they're all earthy tones. I love that dark burgundy, the dark red, a nice peach. I really love these colors. Oh, this is so pretty. And I am going to do a kit up because I've been trying to get back into Ziploc bags, but these are way too many. I know myself. I'm going to spill them. I'm clumsy like that. And this is the painting. As I said, it is a lovely lady dancing around on the dance floor. Beautiful, beautiful music notes on the wall. And her outfit has music notes as well. I love this design. When I first saw it, I knew, ooh, I have to pick this one. Mostly as a musician, I just love all the music notes. And I'm being super honest. When I was first looking at the painting, I was trying to read the rhythm and wondering if I could figure out the song, but no, they're just randomized. So I recognize the notes, but they're just a randomized pattern. I'm dorky like that. I'm just going to pick up the plastic real quick just to get rid of the creases. I know this painting is a little larger, but I usually do that even with the large ones. So some information about the painting. It is SZ54, 5489, and it's a 40 by 40, and it's 24 colors. This is so pretty. As I said, I love this image, and it's the music, as I said, really won me over. And I love that the little floor, I call it a dance floor because when I was really young, I've taken a couple of dance classes before, so that's why I kind of recognize the dance floor, and with the lining and everything, that's what made me think of it. So let's actually look at the diamonds, because since there are 24, I don't believe there's any special diamonds in this painting. I do love the colors. And what I'm actually going to do, because I decided, since I've done PR package reviews before, I felt kind of, I feel bad putting them aside. And since I'm usually working on a lot of paintings, I do feel kind of bad putting them aside and having, working on them at a later time. I decided the next PR packages I'm going to do, I'm going to follow through and actually paint. So what I'm going to do, probably after I show all of these diamonds, I'm going to work on this painting. We're going to do kind of time travel and, recording wise. So I'll come back and show you. What I'm planning to do is mostly do some of the wall because I love the notes. The lady herself, I'm going to focus on this section, and I'll make sure that it's just videos just so I can give, a more thorough review of the painting and how, how it all works and how I feel about it, because I really want to give a full-on review. And who knows, maybe you might be interested in this kind of painting as well. So yeah, there's a nice white, a nice kind of sand color, a nice mauve color, medium sand color, a nice kind of cocoa brown, a lighter cocoa brown, okay, milk chocolate, a nice peach color, kind of a darker mauve color, a nice kind of light green, ooh, with a little kind of snuck in different colors in it, a nice kind of medium brown. I think this might be our lovely 310. No, it's 939. Oh, so close. Between those two, I kind of want to get better at noticing them, because 939 isn't black. I believe it's like a dark blue. Do love this color though. I really hope it's in the notes, and I really hope it's in the lining of her outfit. I love her outfit. And this is another kind of peach color. I have a feeling this goes on the wall, but I really do like it. And this is a darker peach color, a dark violet color, I like that, a nice burgundy color, a dark gray color. I was going to handle them like cards, but they're not cards. A medium gray color, it's kind of a light mauve color. Oh, it's an interesting color, and I don't think I've seen that one. These two look really alike. I thought maybe they might be the same one. No, they're not. This is a lighter shade of it. Kind of a light green color, a light gray color, another cocoa brown color, a sand color, and another wonderful burgundy. Oh, I really love this color. I really love this image. Oh, it's so cute. And apologies, the legend is, as I said, it is 24 colors, and from the numbers 1 through 9, they're numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from 10 to 24, they're all capital letters, and they're all in order, A, B, C, and so on. I really love that. There's no symbols. Thank goodness, I love it. The painting does have, and let me pick it up real quick, does have some assistance circles. So I'm going to get a little closer on camera so you can see a little better. Let me get that focus for y'all. As you can see, those circles around the symbols. I have no problems with them. I know a lot of diamond painters aren't fans of them. It helps me make sure I'm putting them straight. Okay, I'm back. So, I'll be honest. Apologies, I'm fixing something. It's been a couple days. I just didn't have the opportunity to do pretty much as I wanted on this poor painting. But I do plan to keep moving forward, and I'll make sure to provide you all a progression video of this wonderful painting, because I really did love when I I only got to do the small section, and I actually really liked it. I kept going when I had a chance, and I really do like it. I believe it's really pretty. And this part, just to kind of give you all some transparency, the section after I did the up close of the painting, the rest of the video was all blurred. Unfortunately, my camera did not focus. So I'm going to edit that out and continue the video with this section. So if you see some kind of glitch, me transitioning to this video, it's just to clarify that, because I did not notice till I reviewed the video again, so I knew what part I was going to continue. I noticed, oh my goodness, it's just out of focus. It's really blurry. So apologies for that. I'll make a correction the next time. when that happens. So I did get to work, as I said, a small section of the painting. I really wanted to work on the lady. So the dancing lady in the middle of the dance floor with the music in the background. As I said, I didn't have a lot of time, and I really wanted to put out the video for this wonderful product. So that's why I did as much as I could. For the lady though, it is a lot of confetti. I didn't notice when I started painting. I originally started on the corner, but I knew, oh, apologies, there's a plane passing by. Apologies for that. The plane hung around for a while. It started getting really, really loud, so that's why I muted it. So as I was saying, this section with the lady, it was a lot of confetti. As you can see, the different tones of the gray and the background of her outfit and her hair. Same thing with the skin tone, because the image, it looks like a photograph that they put in the middle. I'm sorry, that the whole image is. I knew, I had a feeling it wasn't going to come exactly perfectly clear like an image. This is a 40 by 40, and with all the confetti, I figured, okay, it might be a little muddled, but the way it looks on camera is the way it looks in person. I actually like it. It makes me think of like a little silhouette of the lady. You're facing her, so it's her back to you. I really do like it. And the rest of the I stopped at this portion, but the rest of the portion is the bottom of her dress and her other arm stretched out with her wrap that's hanging off of her arm. I really want to continue and finish this section with the lady, and then I'm going to continue on working with the music. I love this canvas. It's real. See if I can get a part here. I didn't. I pretty much put release paper on it all, but let me see if I can get a corner. Trying to make sure I'm on camera for this. So I love the stick on this canvas. As you can see, and as you can hear, I had no problems when I was placing all the diamonds. None of them moved, none of them shifted, fell off, or anything. I really, really love that. So that's why I really want to move forward, because it's such a wonderful canvas to work on, and I didn't have any issues with it. I am working on his Ziploc bags. That's another reason why it took me a bit, because I ran out of kind of little storage cases, so I decided, well, it's already kitted up, so I used the Ziploc bags. Yeah, they took me a little longer. So apologies for the really, really late part of the video. Actually, no, it's kind of like TV magic. I skipped ahead. In theory, this is still the same day. Ooh. But I do recommend it. This is such a beautiful image. Wonderful stick. Wonderful diamonds. The shine on them are really, really nice. And I'm a big, big fan of this. So yeah, I just wanted to give you all an update, and I really just wanted to show you all pretty much how the image would come out once, if you do select this painting, this wonderful painting, you'll have an idea of, what the wonderful lady looks like. And again, I would like to thank NewCraftDay. I really do appreciate, and thank you for sending me this painting. I cannot wait till I finish and put it on my wall, because as I said, I was a musician, so I'm a big, big fan of seeing all of the musical notes, and on this wonderful painting, I know it's going to come out really beautifully. So there will be a code that was provided for me. It provides, I believe, a 10% discount. It was RoseKnit10, and it'll appear here in the corner for a bit, and it'll also be in the description below in case there's any kind of new products, or if you're interested in this painting as well, I'll put the link, and you can get a kind of a small discount, so you'll be able to do any kind of purchase you want to do on the site. I'm actually going to go back and I know there's some new releases came out, so I'm going to go check and to see what else is being offered so I can put in an order for myself. So again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps me put my channel out there and allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful paintings we all love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.